Oh my God! Ayan na siya! She made it! Wow! OMG! Ay, naka-vlog kayo. Wow! I'm at the airport. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, we got the necklace. Nasaan na siya? Nag-chat siya? Nandito na siya?
Sabi niya online siya eh, pero
baka
sabi niya, baka late lang yung sabi nakasakay na ako sa airplane ulit.
I'm so excited guys, we are...
Na kayo.
Hi! Nag-vlog ako! Say hi!
Hi to the vlog!
Dito ba talaga?
OMG!
Ayun na!
Ayun na! Nasaan na siya? Nasaan siya?
Girl!
Nasa airplane pa siya! Nasa airplane pa siya!
Bakit sabi niya naman?
Good morning!
Airplane ka pa?
Nalipad ka ba, tita?
Iyak ka naman ito.
Excited! Gosh, we got the necklace, flowers, extra coat. Hawakan mo na natin. Yeah. OMG! Ako na maghawak na itong mga flag mo. Guys, I'm leaving! I'm finally leaving! Just kidding! We're picking up someone very special, guys. We are picking up someone very special, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Stay tuned at the end.
Domestic na rin.
Domestic to. Dun ata international sa like pinaka... I'm at the airport. I'm so excited. I'll be here again. Let's fly. Which door will the contestant come out? Gitna? Gitna? The middle one. Yee! So excited. Are you excited, mother? Very, very excited. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Oh my God. Were we at the wrong gate? I don't know. We'll see. Asan na si Father? Ba't nandito sa gate si Father? Oh my God, nawala si tita. Ayun, nandito. Nakita mo na siya? Nakita mo na siya? Picked up. We were at the wrong gate and we were waiting. Literally, oh my gosh. This is so like... Nasaan na siya? Father, you're lying. I jokes, that's not her. We can't find her. Oh my God. I think so.
Sure, dun talaga na.
So si Father. OMG. It's a prank. Wait. I'm so excited to show you guys her. This is like so exciting and it's gonna be so surreal. I haven't seen her in like 6 years. Ayan na siya! Oh my God! Na-late nga siya dumating. Saka yung last. Oh my God! Ah! Oh my God! Ayan na siya! She made it! Wow! OMG! Ah! Tita! Wow! Tita! Hi! You made it!
Welcome.
Aww! Wow! Kasi lagi siya. Tita made it! Aww! Oh, si Tita! Aww! Made it! Yeah! Smile! Wow! Made it! Oh, cheese! Cheese! Wow! Ay, ito pala sa'yo, tita. Wow! Ito ba yung princess? Wow! You made it! Wow! Congrats! Congrats, you made it! Wow!
Dito na ako, mother.
May
pa-flag pa. May pa-flag pa. Ah, diba?
Wow!
Salamat, mga kapatid.
Tita, she made it!
Wow. Thank you.
From Philippines?
From Philippines.
Wow! Ano ba? Ayan na, oh guys! Welcome to my channel! Live! Live in Calgary reporting! She made it! How many times did she cry? Wow! Nakarating din! Ay, 14 hours! All the way to Calgary! Ay, ang sweet!
Mary Grace.
Oh my God! Ang Mary Grace nakarating! Wow! May trolley, tita. Hi! Oh my God!
Gabi.
Tinanong nga. Philippines! Philippines! Representing Manila! Wow! Ang galing naman. Hi! Naka-vlog kayo. Wow! OMG! Okay yan. Doon dito. Ay, ito po. Anna, she's washing her hands. First time in Canada. Malamig ang tubig from Canada.
Inumin ng tubig from Canada.
Ayun.
Tap water sa pipa.
Guys, photo Canada! Akala ko ako. Wow! Wow! Video! Video! Okay, oh, picture! Balik! Ano ba Canada? Babalik ka pa ba? Shit! Good. Parang totoo. Lagyan mo yung Canada flag. Lagyan mo na. Ayaw mo nun. Para malaman Canada. Northern Lights. Baka Philippines. Ikaw. Ba't kukuha ito? Cheers! Smile!
Ay, sumabit din.
Sumabit na yun. Okay. Pangalaw na. Wow! Cheers! Northern Lights! Ah! Yung Northern Lights, totoo. Alin? Ano, malamig, tita? First time! Spring na to, tita! Oh my God! Wala naman snow eh. Kailan ba sayang? Mga June. I know, no? Sayang. Pero naman, ano, kakarating lang sa Canada. Naka-winter jacket si tita! First time! Oh my God! Pati jacket first time! Wow! Ang lamig! Spring na to!
Pero pag nasa Pilipinas ka sa ilalim ng parking, ang init!
Ang init! Oh, really? Wow! Ano? Okay lang yan. Si father nga, naka-hoodie lang. Canadian eh. Hoodie.